Welcome to Dream Connector. I'm David Anderson here and here to get you started. And so here are some of the initial things for us to cover to make sure that you have everything that you need to get started. Okay, so first off, we want to make sure that you know where to go to download the extension. So if for some reason it was not an email or a link that I sent your way, then what you're going to want to do is find your way to the Google Chrome store, and you can do a simple search for Dream Connector. There it is, and it will show as add to Chrome right here. And obviously, since I already have it loaded, it's showing remove from Chrome because I already have it loaded up on here. So once you've clicked on that and added it to your Chrome, one thing that you will want to do, if this is not something that you do already, is to click on the puzzle piece, which is the icon for Chrome extensions. And you want to scroll down to Dream Connector and click on the pen button, so then that way it is permanently up on your extensions bar. And if you didn't know this, you can click on it and drag it all the way up to the front, since you will be using this on a daily basis as you obviously want to quickly grow your Facebook audience. So now that we have that there, I'm going to go back to the corner here, because with Google Chrome especially, whenever there's a need for an update or whenever an extension has uploaded an update, you're going to see one of two things. You're going to see what you see right now, update, or you're going to see error. And what that means is an error code up there means that an extension has an update that requires Google to ask for your permission to accept those new permissions for those extensions with that. So sometimes with updates, some of these software extensions are able to gain more functions or more functionality. And just for privacy reasons and again permissions reasons, we need you would be the user's permission to let that new functionality go into effect. There we go. Can't talk. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on update. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually, no, I'm not going to do that because I'm using my screen recording, but that's something that you want to do to ensure that your Chrome is up to date, and then also that showing you how to download this, that you have the most recent version of Dream Connector. At the time of recording this video, Dream Connector Pro is now on the Google Manifest version 3, which is the new extension platform that Google is requiring of all new extensions. So we're slowly working through the line there to make sure that we're up to Google Chrome's, to the Chrome Store developer store standards. Okay, now that we have the techie non-fun stuff out the way, now let's switch over to your Facebook. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that you're logged into Facebook. So one key difference with this is so Dream Connector and Peace Out does not use your Facebook login. So you can use whatever you want, but it is tied to the email that you use to sign up for Dream Connector in this case. And just ensure that you have at least your basic password or default password if you haven't changed it already. Now, Dream Connector works whenever you are on the page of a Facebook group or when you are looking at a different view of your friends. So we're going to check out where we're at now. So I just happened to open up a random Facebook group that I'm in. I'm in a lot of groups, and so I just picked the photo booth one. So as you can see, Dream Connector's living up there. So I'll go ahead and click on Dream Connector, and the first thing you see here is delete pending friend request. So What is this and why is it important? Well, as you begin to use Dream Connector on a daily basis, you're going to find that by the end of the week, you're going to have a backlog of sorts of friend requests that are pending. Okay, now that we've went through the basics of how to download Dream Connector and how to make sure that your browser is set up to use it, in the next video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to get this set up inside of Facebook. Click on the next video so we can keep your training going. Thanks.